Well, guess who's back, ladies and gentlemen? Marco's back. This is Marco's new truck. He got a 2021 Silverado. It's got the 6.2 V8, which is absolutely awesome. Dude, this is really cool. Look, this looks brand new.
Yeah.
This looks cleaner than my Type R engine bay.
25, 26,000 miles. I bought it with 23.
Wow. Dude, this is awesome. I'm gonna review this. This is sick. So, I sold the BRZ today. Pretty happy about that. Yeah, we'll talk more about that later, but right now, it's kind of weird. I sold a car, and I brought Marco out to this place outside Brandon, and he might be buying a car. That is a Dodge Neon SRT-4. Wow. Always thought these cars were really cool. You guys know that I like weird stuff. I like the weird cars from the 2000s, like the Cobalt SS and the Neon SRT-4, and you know, all the Pontiacs I talk about all the time. Yeah, this is cool.
How clean the thing is on this side.
Not much to look at in here. What we like about this car is the powertrain. It's actually a really robust engine. If you guys look into these cars, Dodge actually made a pretty solid engine, man. Look at that. It's a tight engine bay. Dude, this is actually pretty cool.
It is, right?
It's so old. Like the interior is so yeah, it's so crap.
Right.
But yeah, it literally sounds like a truck. Look how tall the shifter is too.
It is.
Wow. Oh!
I'm taking this.
Wow!
I'm back.
Oh man!
The gears are so smooth. Bro, he really babied this car. Gears are so smooth.
Oh my god. That blow-off sound is nice.
Yeah.
Is that to the floor?
Huh?
Was that to the floor?
What do you mean?
Did you floor it?
No.
That wasn't to the floor?
No. Right there.
Okay.
That was the floor.
Okay. That's not too bad.
I can daily this.
It's a 5-speed?
Oh yeah. It's old school, man.
Okay.
You gotta try
I think you should buy it. For $5 grand?
Okay.
You don't think he would mind if I...
What?
You want me to drive this back?
Yeah.
He's not gonna care?
What do you mean? You can't say nothing. My car now.
He can't say nothing. It's my car now. Listen to this guy. Look at this neon.
So this.
Hey, Marco, stand by it real quick.
So I gotta fix all this. You see it?
Stand right there. Give me a thumbs up. Cool. I've never even been in one of these before today. Why does this shift so smooth?
It does. I'm telling you.
Listen to that.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Wow. Ooh. This is cool, man.
What do you think? Should I buy it?
I think for $5 grand, yeah, you should definitely buy this. Yeah, this is a sweet little daily. It goes pretty good. Probably needs an alignment. It's okay though. Listen to that sound. Look at you. Is that a fanny pack?
Well, I have to, man.
I like it, dude. It's a cool fanny pack. Yeah, so Marco is definitely buying this right now. Look at that. Little hood scoop, man. These are cool. I don't care what you guys say. I know most of you watching are all about the JDM stuff. I love all types of cars. Oh boy. Okay, Marco has some work to do. What? Oh, that's why the exhaust was sounded like that. It came from, it doesn't even, what? Did you know the exhaust tips come out here?
No, not really. But you see, this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna buy 2 quarters. I'm gonna cut the leg right there. I'm gonna weld it back.
You can still find quarter panels for this car?
Oh yeah, even yeah.
Where do you get those? Junkyard?
Well, usually now you can get LKQ. They even send it to you.
OKQ?
LKQ. That's like
it's like overstock.
No, it's like an aftermarket, but they have used as well. They have their own doors.
Do they stamp these on demand or something?
What do you mean?
If I have like a 1985 Chevy Caprice and I need a new fender, will I be able to find a new fender for that?
Man, I seen people now. You can build in 67 Mustangs. Now you find everything. You can do the whole car like completely new.
No way.
Yeah, new fenders, new rear body, new floor, new.
So finding new fenders and quarters for this won't be a problem. Dude, that's so cool.
You will see.
Wow. I really like this, man.
I already checked the rear body. There's no rust underneath.
No rust underneath.
It's only what we see. The 2 quarters and that fender.
So it's been in Florida its whole life.
Yeah.
I would absolutely drive one of those. I just like the old, you know, pieces of crap, guys. That's just the way I am. Like I drive this relatively new Type R, but in my heart, like if I won the lottery, I would have like a 12-car garage with a bunch of pieces of crap. I just would, you know? Oh boy, a little bit of torque steer there. What do you think?
It's fun.
You feel good about it?
Different. Oh yeah, I think I got a good deal, man. You can find it. Might be looking for something.
I think the part that makes this a really good deal for you in particular is that you can fix all this yourself.
Exactly.
Right? Most people, they would look at this and think, if I bought this and I needed to get it back to like at least 90%,
Right.
I would have to drop what, $2 grand?
More.
3 grand?
Probably just to fix one side, might cost $2 grand.
Okay.
I don't think I spent $2 grand doing the whole thing.
Yeah. So I'd be spending almost as much as the car is worth
Right.
to get it back up to like 90%, 100%. But you can do all that yourself. Whoa, baby. Oh, what is that? Is that an RX-7? Hell yeah. Thing sounds so different. I don't know, man, those Cobalts, those Neons, the Ford Focuses, like the American cars just sound, they have a different sound to them, and I like it. I like it, I like the sound of cars, dude. Like, I don't know. There are very few cars that I, like with an exhaust system that I'm like, that doesn't sound good. Very few cars. I think a rock just hit my gosh darn windshield. That thing has torque steer. You filming?
See.
Holy moly. Alright. I didn't really film anything in Maine, but we just flew in from Bangor. So we went up to northern Maine to visit my family for the past week, and it was awesome. We had a lot of fun. The weather was beautiful. So now I'm actually gonna finish this video. I sold the BRZ. I am pretty happy with the amount of money I sold it for. I have $15,000 and some change to put towards my next car. I'm not gonna take out a loan at all, so it's gonna be, I'm gonna find something that I can buy in cash. There's this 9th gen that is for sale nearby here in Florida, and I've been talking to the guy. I think I might buy that. It's got really low miles. I was actually really happy to get rid of the BRZ. I was kind of happy to see it go, because it's just inconvenient, you know. The two-door thing was awesome while it lasted, but I need a four-door. And the cool thing is, my younger brother, has a 2013 Honda Civic EX, I think, and we put a car seat one day in the back seat, and then Vivian and I drove that car with Ellie in the back, so we could get a feel for how that car, you know, how a 9th gen would operate with a baby in the back. And it was a little tight. Vivian was a little tight, but then again, so is the Type R. The Type R, like, Vivian's knees are almost touching the dash, but Vivian is also a lot taller than your average female. Regardless, I'm still gonna get a 9th gen SI sedan. I'm gonna get one more. I'm gonna do it right, and I'm gonna get it as soon as I can, and it's gonna be awesome. What do you have to say for yourself, Vivian?
I want to go back to Maine.
You miss Maine already?
Yep, I hate it here.
Yeah, look what we're dealing with.
That is awful.
We're dealing with stop and go traffic. Also, oh my God. So we flew into St. Petersburg. Tell them how long we had to wait for our luggage.
An hour. Maybe. It might have been a few minutes more, but it was at least an hour.
Yeah. So, first world problems, right? So we get off the plane. We had to stand there and wait for the baggage for an hour, and it was like 1,000 degrees in that building. That was a great welcome back to civilization. So yeah, oh, also, something really cool. So Vivian and I are like 95% set on getting a Grand Highlander. So Toyota has the Highlander, but last year they came out with a Grand Highlander, and we both like that better than the regular Highlander. So I've been looking at videos on it on YouTube to see, like, owners, you know, real life experiences with it. And there's this one guy's YouTube channel that I really like. It's right here. His name is John. I think his YouTube channel is John the Pilot. So I'm walking through the Bangor, Maine airport right before we got on our plane, and I see this guy. He looks familiar. And then it clicked, and I'm like, holy crap, I think that's the guy with the Toyota Grand Highlander YouTube channel. So I go up and I ask him, I'm like, do you have a YouTube channel? And he's like, yeah. Like, I must have been the first person that has recognized him from that, because he didn't really, you know, he was cool about it. But then he talked to me a little bit about, you know, how he feels about Toyotas and the problems that they're having right now, because it's not just the Tundra and it's not just the Tacoma. Like, Toyota's having a lot of problems right now with a lot of their vehicles. So hopefully by the 2025 model year, the Grand Highlander's problems are all ironed out and we can buy one. Maybe even buy it in cash. That'd be really cool. So we're back. I am on the hunt for a clean, preferably a bone stock 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic Si sedan. I will not even entertain anything over 100,000 miles. I'll just say no thank you. But if anybody has a lead on one, I mean, I'm pretty set on the one that I've been talking to the owner about. But if you want to help me look, if you want to send me some listings, I would greatly appreciate it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Cam Hill Show.
Cam Hill Show.
The Cam Hill Show.